welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today I just wanted to congratulate you guys. And I must say, this had to be the most easiest contest to win, because over, I don't know, 300 something people, 400 people watched the video, over 1,000 subscribers, but so few people joined the contest, which is crazy, but good for people that was in the contest, right? So my first thing I want to say is this first prize is just gonna go out to this subscriber named Eagle Doc Stew. This guy was the first person to sign up for the contest, the first person to watch the video. I'm gonna send you a $10 credit on your Meta account. I just need your Meta username or your Meta email, and I'll get that out to you. Now, let's get into the contest to see who wins. Check out the video. We're gonna do it live right now. Let's go. All right, this one right here is for that magnetic battery head strap for your Quest 3 S Pro. Who wins? Boom! Foamy Mouth Dog. You got it. Congratulations. Listen, this is gonna be awesome for you. Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who's gonna win this game? Ready to shoot some evil demons? Let's check it out. Who is this? Boom! This is Recall 'em. Recall 'em. I don't know if I said that right. Hopefully I did. Congratulations. I'm glad you guys watched that. Listen, that was fun. I like doing things like that. Congratulations to the winners. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all you guys for being subscribers to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos, more content. It's gonna get deeper with more VR stuff. Hey, this was fun. I enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.